People ask me all the time, can I claim my pet? And you kind of can. Now, you cannot claim the pet as a dependent, even though between vet bills and food bills every month, there is no telling what people spend on their pets. I'm here to tell you there are 3 ways that you can deduct a pet. Number 1, if that pet is a service animal. Now, this does not include an emotional support animal, but if you do have a service animal, so it needs to be a registered service animal, you can take that as a medical expense on your taxes. Now, in order to take a medical expense, you must itemize your deduction, and your medical expenses must exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. But included in those medical expenses for you would be the cost of your service animal and anything you have to spend on that animal, food, vet bills, prescriptions, anything that the pet costs you. The second way that you can take a pet on your taxes is if you use the pet in business. So if you've got a guard dog outside your office, that is 100% deductible expense on your business tax return. So we may have to get us a little puppy around this office, I think. I think we need a guard dog here that's about this big and sits right here in my lap. The last way that you can deduct an animal is if you are fostering an animal. So if you foster a dog through a nonprofit organization. So here where I live, we have Animal Control and their nonprofit agency Kemp. And if I foster a dog through that program or any other type of animal through that program, then I can take the cost incurred as a qualified charitable contribution. So if you've got Spot and he's your pride and joy, but he is not a service animal and he is just for companionship, I'm sorry, you can't deduct anything related to him. But if he meets those 3 criteria, a service animal used in the course of business or fostering pet, you can deduct that. Again, I will say emotional support animals, as much as they help us, they do not qualify for any type of tax deduction. Y'all, I'm Valerie, Kemp, Certified Public Accountant. Follow me for more tax tips and information.